we are back fully 100%. We started cleanups yesterday. Thank fucking God, dude. I've been itching to get out of my apartment, to get back on a mower, to get back to work. Today, we have a very, very, very exciting day. It's a dry one. It's hot as hell out right now. It is currently, I believe, 86 degrees with a real feel of 97. It's going up to 106 today here in Bucks County, PA. We've had a really tough summer. We are dealing with lawns that are just brown. I mean, brown, not looking very good. So yeah, man, we're dealing with a lot of dryness. This is 3 weeks, going on 3 weeks of growth. Tomorrow, I believe, will be 3 weeks exactly. Mowing grass. It has been about a month since we have been out mowing. It has been dry as all hell here. We've been dealing with some drought-like conditions. It did not rain for the majority of July, and it was basically 95 plus every single day for basically since the end of June. Probably the worst that I've seen in my 11 years mowing and doing landscaping work. I've never seen it this dry. On them again.
Right before it hits, just JWD landscaping.
And just distortion.
Perfect promo, you know? Are you all right?
Yeah.
You're good? Good. So the intro clip is Rick flying the drone, and I think he just kind of lost your bearings, right?
No, so like I was flying the drone, like I thought I was next to him, but he went past the drone, so I couldn't see him. So I thought I was moving, and I was like, okay, I can't see him. So I went to turn the camera, like to turn the whole drone, and then I found him, and it just hit him in the back.
He found him, that's for damn sure. Target acquired.
Yeah,
It's never a dull moment here. It's never a dull moment with these two.